Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Wink Video Enhancer in iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the Apple Store app on your mobile device and make sure your Apple ID is logged in. After that, tap on your profile icon at top right corner and then tap on the profile banner at the top. Once done, access the country or region tab and then change it to the preferred one from this list. Just make sure that the region has Wink app available. After you're done with it, tap on the Done button and then get to the search section. Inside it, tap on the search bar and type in Wink. Now give it a go and then access this app. Then you just need to tap on the Get button and then verify the installation. After it has been completed, you can open it up and then start using it. So that's basically how you can download Wink Video Enhancer in iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.